Hey guys, my name is Absul. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to create the easiest glitch effect in your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Sound interesting? Let's begin by bringing the videos onto the timeline, and one of these video clips has an audio track. I'm going to press Alt and click on that audio track to deassociate it from that video clip, and then press Delete to delete that audio track, and then press C to create a cut on the first clip where I would like it to start from. Now, I'm going to delete the first part, press W to bring it to the start of the timeline. Now I will go to the point where the two clips meet, and I'm going to press Shift and back arrow once and press Ctrl K to create a cut, and then press Shift and forward arrow twice to move to 5 frames forward on that second clip, and press Ctrl K to create another cut. Now zooming in, I will select these two recently cut segment, and I will right click onto and then nest the sequence. Well, then I will go to Effects and search for VR Digital Glitch, and I'm going to drag and drop it onto this nested sequence. Well, if we just play the video, as you can notice, it will be very subtle, very quick, very nice effect that changes one scene to another. You can always change the length of this nested sequence by, increasing the frames that we used before cutting onto the first clip or the second clip. And furthermore, you can click on the nested sequence and go to the effects control panel, and you can change the distortion properties over here, and it will yield some really interesting results. Well, if we play the video, as you can see, the glitch effect has taken place, and that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.